Sekhmets children to Sekhmets Healing Kitchen. I am Sekhmet SapphyreSun. Today is a DIY fermented jasmine brown rice, aloe vera, and African black soap. I have the aloe vera here ready to go. And so if you're interested in how I'm going to make this powerful shampoo that is good for strengthening the hair, clarifying the hair, and especially if you have low porosity hair as myself, and stick around. Don't forget to subscribe, and those that have, I want to thank you. Make sure you like this video so that it can be seen across the YouTube world, and please hit that notification bell so you may be notified when I upload the next one. Be right back. Thank you for coming back, Sekhmet's children. I didn't show you guys the process because I didn't think about sharing this video until the last minute. This is what I fermented. This is jasmine brown rice. And like I said, I didn't think about showing you guys how I have fermented it. I have fermented this in this jar. I had oranges and dry rosemary. And you can see some of the rosemary is floating in here. So this is the first time I'm actually using it as it's fermented. But they say the fermented rice is good for the pH for the hair. And so I'm going to try it. And so I'm going to take you guys through the process of breaking the African black soap down with this. And I'm also going to blend my aloe vera gel. My aloe vera gel looks like this is because I had left it in water so that that yellow stuff could drain out. And so this is why it looks like that. So it oxidized a little bit. So we're going to put this in here. I'm going to strain it. And woohoo! It's a funky smell, guys. It's very funky. And so I'm going to heat it up to save time. I'm going to heat it up in here right now. And so I'm going to bring this to a boil. And so while we're waiting on that, while we are waiting for the fermented jasmine brown rice and the African black soap to heat up, this is my aloe vera gel, and I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of my Flower Power herbal oil, hair growth oil. Okay. And so I'm gonna put a 1/4 cup of my Flower Power herbal hair growth oil in here, and we're gonna blend it. This smells so good because of all the herbs that I have in that oil. Okay, so now, and it's amazing that, like I said, I never worked with fermented rice before, and it just smells like rice in here. I thought it was going to be funky because it was funky because the substance itself was funky. And I used about 4.5 to 5 ounces of African black soap. Had a little bit over 1 cup of the fermented jasmine brown rice. Turning it off. And so we're going to let this sit for a while so everything can melt. All right, Sekhmet's children, we are back. So the African black soap has melted in the fermented jasmine brown rice. And so remember, we had blended a 1/4 cup of my flower powder herbal hair growth oil with the aloe vera gel. And so I'm putting it in here now. Smells divine because of my oil. And so I'm going to put some peppermint oil. That's about 10-15 drops. Some rosemary. About the same. You can use as much as you want, guys. I'm just doing my thing. And clove. Ooh, this smells so good. I need to put a preservative. So I'm going to put some Optifin Plus. Like I said, I don't know the correct measurements as far as preservative goes. But if any of you guys out there know, then let me know how to measure. What is the correct measurement for putting a preservative in your hair products or body products that have water? And so I'm going to put a cap full. Oops. Okay, now I sprayed this out with some alcohol. I needed to get a funnel, so I'm going to spray that with alcohol. Okay. Okay, 8 ounces. Here's another one. And guess what, guys? This is going to be Christmas gifts for my family. For the ones I didn't buy anything for. I have some more fermented rice, so I'm going to put it in with the rest of this soap and cook it down some more. Okay, Sekhmets children. We have rendered 3 8-ounces of fermented jasmine brown rice, aloe vera, African black soap shampoo. I am about to wash my hair. In the introduction, you saw how I washed my hair. Now I'm going to show you how well it lathers up by itself. Right? So look at that. I didn't even put no water. And it smells so divine. It doesn't smell bad, even though it's fermented rice. I want to thank you so much, Sekhmets children, for watching me make this DIY fermented jasmine brown rice and aloe vera African black soap shampoo. Remember, don't forget to subscribe, like this video so that it can be seen across the YouTube world. Please hit that notification bell so you may be notified when I upload the next one. And remember, love yourself unconditionally without judgment. Until next time.